Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to change your credit card on Zelle in 2025. Whether you're upgrading your card or just fixing an error, this step-by-step guide will make it quick and hassle-free. Zelle is a fantastic app for sending money, but keeping your payment info up to date is crucial for smooth transactions. Let's dive right in. First off, ensure you have the latest version of the Zelle app installed on your phone. This is important because Zelle rolls out updates regularly, especially for 2025, to enhance security and features. Open the app and log in with your username and password. If you haven't logged in before, you'll need to verify your identity. Once you're in, head to the main menu. Look for the Settings or Profile option. It's usually in the top corner or under a hamburger menu icon. Tap on that, and then navigate to Payment Methods or Linked Accounts. Here, you'll see your current credit card listed. To change it, select the option to Edit or Manage your payment methods. This might prompt a security verification, like a PIN or fingerprint, to keep things safe. Now, find the Remove or Delete button next to your old credit card and confirm the action. Don't worry, any pending transactions will be handled separately. Next, add your new credit card by selecting Add Card and entering the details: card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address. Zelle may ask for additional verification, such as a small test transaction or a code sent to your phone. Once verified, your new card will be linked. Pro tip: double-check that your new card is activated and has no holds on it to avoid any issues. And remember, Zelle primarily works with bank accounts, so if you're linking a credit card, ensure it's compatible with their 2025 policies. There you have it. That's how you change your credit card on Zelle in just a few minutes. If you run into any problems, check Zelle's help center or contact support. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.